project po natin is EDSA Kamuning Flyover Southbound po. So mag-start po yung project natin sa Span 1 and Span 2. Ang exact location po dito is mismong sa tapat ng GMA. Doon po mag-start yung project.
So, hindi na sila papayagan dumaan sa taas ng flyover. Ang buses lamang ang papayagan dumaan doon. Bus carousel buses.
So, April 25, pwede pa rin pong dumaan dahil board up or May 1 pa po?
Bali, May 25 mag-start yung trabaho. May April 25, pero yung closure will start May 1.
Technically, sir, yung Kamuning flyover will be closed to private motorists, no? Kasi
Yes, starting May 1.
May 1 to any specific dates in October?
October 25, sir. 25.
Magkakasa kami ng clearing operations. Nandito naman ang ating mga barangay captains para ma-inform na nila yung kanilang mga kababayan or mga constituents na magkusa na. Pero siguro within the week mag-start na kaming umikot, mag-notify din. And probably by next week or within the week din, mag-start kami ng operations kung hindi sila magkukusa.